I'm Mark Miller with Milcon Concrete. We're about 24 years in business, and we've primarily been using Komatsu excavators for probably about 20 of the 24 years. We recently, basically because of Komatsu coming out with the intelligent machines, we've started buying also Komatsu bulldozers. And have really appreciated the benefits of the intelligent machines when it comes to labor reduction, saving of material, and quality of the work is very significant in the realm of what we do.
So Komatsu equipment, we think, is financially it makes sense to buy. They're always competitive with price. Their excavators, their zero tail swing excavators are the best that we've ran as far as speed, dependability, durability. The safety features they have make sense. We've rented, leased, owned all the other brands and had the most success with Komatsu as far as durability and longevity.
You know, we also have probably a half a dozen Komatsu rubber-tired wheel loaders that are great machines. You know, the Komatsu equipment really has the least amount of downtime of our equipment, and when it does go down, you know, that's where the dealer relationship comes into play. Because you know, they support us, you know, when we have equipment down, whether it be parts or service, or getting us equipment to replace that down equipment. So, large size project we completed last year was at Dayton International Airport. We reconstructed several acres of parking lot, and we actually bought an additional iMC dozer just for that project, and we worked 2 machines on that project day in, day out, most of the summer last year, and it was phenomenal, the production we were able to accomplish with those machines, and not only the savings of labor, but the savings in material. Gravel reduction was significant, and also the amount of surveying and layout that we would normally have to do was eliminated through the use of the intelligent machines.
We were able to put down 5,000 tons per day running 2 machines, which doubled our capacity in our production with half the labor that would have originally taken. We can do more volume at this point in our business with less people thanks to this intelligent equipment.
So my guess is that material savings would probably be somewhere in the 7 to 10% range when it comes to fine grading stone, fine grading sub base for the stone. We can dial that in a lot closer and therefore reduce the use of the stone base. Our first piece of excavating equipment was not a Komatsu, and we had some struggles. And as I reflected back on what I observed Mike doing, I decided right away that our next piece of excavating equipment would be a Komatsu. And so we started talking with Mike, and you know, Mike knows more about the Komatsu products than any other salesman in the industry. Hands down, Mike knows his products. Our second piece of excavating equipment was a Komatsu, and you know, that was the beginning of a long relationship with Mike Early and Columbus Equipment. Now, you know, we've got, you know, well over a dozen Komatsu excavators, quite well over a dozen. And what we've found out over the years is that the relationship with a supplier or a vendor and the quality of the product is of utmost importance to us, and there's a lot more to a transaction than just the price. And we found that with Mike Early and Columbus Equipment that we get service and a whole package.